Python programming language. Match statement. Unlock the power of Python's match statement for efficient coding. Match statements in Python provide a more readable and efficient alternative to if-else chains. They allow for clearer code structure by matching patterns directly against data. Basic pattern matching involves using literals, variables, and wildcards to create match cases. This allows for simple and direct comparisons in your code. Advanced pattern matching includes sequences, mappings, and class instances. These allow for detailed and complex data structures to be matched effectively. Guard clauses enhance match statements by adding conditions. This refines pattern matching, allowing for more precise control over case execution. Match statements, useful in various scenarios, offering clear benefits over traditional methods. They simplify code and improve readability in complex logic. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.